have made a book app which is basically e-library app, and here what I have done is you can easily get the book in within seconds and only paying 200 rupees per month. So this is basically convenience at your fingertip, and you can get books online, and you are saving up your money because you don't have to purchase each and every book. You can read it at your own way. You are provided books without internet connection. So hi everyone, I have created a book app which is basically e-library app. A lot of time what happens is when we go to library, especially in India, we don't get a lot of popular books, and we have to go to the library to get the books. And here what I have done is you can easily get the book in within seconds and only paying 200 rupees per month. So you can access unlimited books for 30 days for how much ever time you want. So this is the beginning screen. So this is basically convenience at your fingertip, and you can get books online, and you are saving up your money because you don't have to purchase each and every book. You can read it at your own way, and you are provided books without internet connection. So on the go you can read. So basically this is the sign up and the basic sign up screen, and you get to choose the favorite genre you like. If you are not preferring to choose because you're confused, just skip it and you go to the main home screen where you get the book of the day and top searched weekly books, and you also have releases of the month. Then if you go to click view all books, you have different genre books basically, and suppose you click this book named Legend Bond, you will get the description and the average reading time. And when you click that you want to get that, you'll get a notification saying you need to get the card to access the book. And this is basically the payment screen. And once you have confirmed your payment you get a order submission screen, and then your book is added. This is how the book will look from inside. This is when you have stopped reading in the middle of the book and you want to continue reading. You can just there will be a pop-up. You just click there and you go back to the screen where you left it. And suppose there is few days left for you to return, there will be a pop-up screen that comes and says in the notification that you have only 2 days to return. So if you want to extend the number of days, you can accept and increase the number of days by paying more, or you can decline and return the book. And if you want to go to the discover screen, there are a few options for you. Either you can search, or with the genre type you get whether you want to choose this or not. And this is the description when you click on it, and when you don't have any books, this is how the screen looks like. So basically I have tried various it's a work in progress, and I've tried various color combination. First is a purple and a blue combination, because purple represents basically creativity, and blues for me it represented soberness, and really it went well, so it felt like I should try it out. And the next I had tried orange and blue. A lot of times orange is represented with the books to show that how old they are and all of that. And then next is red and green, and last one is pink and purple. So these are the few things that I have tried out. Thank you.